Monday morning. This is Dr. Gulani. Got back from our eye surgical meeting yesterday and met my amazing colleagues from all over the world. And here I am walking my talk. Spent a couple of hours last night, came in very early today morning, spent nearly another 3 hours planning, reviewing information for patients who will be landing all day today from all over the world with their complexities. And I see many patients of radial keratotomy, patients who will be arriving. They've had about 16, 20, 28 cuts, very poor vision, patients of keratoconus who've had successful intacs and caries surgery but left dependent on contact lenses, patients of DALK surgery who have a clear graft but are very poor in their vision and we'll help them see without glasses. Patients of premium cataract surgery well done but left with starburst, halos and glares and complaints, and we will help them without removing their lenses, like you know me, right? Then I'm seeing my own patients flying back from different parts of the world for surgery on their second eye, the first eye being successful. So guys, go ahead and motivate your Monday. I'll keep in touch. Dr. Gulani. Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Dr. Gulani. Tricia.
Nice to meet
Dr.
you.
Gulani, how are you?
I'm great. Is my husband Larry?
Yes, absolutely. Great to see you. How was your travel coming in?
Excellent. For us, it was great. Everything's been great so far.
Please take a seat. Everybody's on time today, all flights. We'll see you soon, all right?
Perfect. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Mr. Wisconsin,
Good to see you.
back for second eye.
I'm back.
How's that first eye doing?
Great. Feel good.
I'll see you soon. You came dressed up for Florida today, right?
Oh yeah.
Stacy, hi. Miss New Mexico.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, good. How was your travel coming in?
It was difficult yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, but I got here. I was almost
Good to see you
in.
shortly, all right? Good to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Okay. Hello, how are you? Jan, so nice to see you.
Good to see you.
So nice to see you. Wonderful. And today you brought him as a
I
patient.
did.
How are you?
How are you? Great to see you. I love the color of the shoes.
Trying to clean up my act a little bit. I don't color my life. How are you?
Very good. Please sit down. How was your travel coming in?
It was good.
Good.
I told the girls it was awful, but it wasn't. The flight was delayed.
Everybody's on time. A lot of the patients today landing said the flights were delayed.
Flights from the north.
Yeah, that's what they all said.
Yeah.
In fact, one of the patients, I think they came to New Mexico. The husband still couldn't make it. He's coming to New York today morning.
Yeah, our plane was coming out of Kansas City.
Because of
that
weather.
that we caught in Atlanta
Huh.
to come to Jacksonville. So that's why it was delayed.
From that.
Yeah. Right. All going backwards.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. I'll see you shortly, right?
Okay.
Wonderful. Sandra,
How are you?
Miss Attorney from Texas. How's the first eye doing?
Very good.
Amazing. Back for second eye.
Yes.
Today, 4 patients from Texas.
Really?
Yeah.
Funny.
Huh? It is. It's
Interesting.
amazing. And how was your flight?
Oh,
Everybody's complaining about flights all day today.
I came in yesterday.
The good news,
Not a big
all of you
deal.
are on time, but everybody's like, because of not, I think the weather today.
The weather hit after. It was no big deal and no turbulence whatsoever. The rain here had already moved out.
Did you say hi to Paula?
Of course.
You did.
We talk frequently now. We're like buds. We have you in common. We have to talk about you.
You guys, like, we have alumni in states now, different countries and all. And really. Amazing. You're also Texas, right?
Yeah.
Not far.
Not
Well,
far. 4
Texas
hours.
is huge.
You know, we had
We're
one
in the
day.
same state.
Huh?
We're in the same state, just hours away from each other.
That's right.
Amazing, all of you, quite a few of you today, Texas, but Wisconsin, all. The funniest thing was when 2 patients came from Hong Kong, and one had traveled from the East Coast, one had traveled from West Coast, and they live a mile away in Hong Kong. So when they were exchanging addresses like you all do, it was like, just a mile away. Right? But one guy had come this way and the other guy this way.
That's so weird.
It's amazing, things that we see here.
Yeah.
Wisconsin, how are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
How's our first eye doing?
Good, good. Very good.
Excellent, you seeing already?
Yep. Seeing good.
Yes?
Yeah.
Shooting the quails with the bacon and wrapping them and eating all that?
Still doing it.
I remember you told me that, right?
Yes.
Wisconsin, come on, chin there, head to the van. It's amazing. We had actually 4 patients from Wisconsin in one day. Perfect. Sit back. I see they've already imaged you. So for doctors watching, amazing patient, post-sarcoidosis, posterior syncytial, the pupil, and a dense posterior subcapsular cataract with very high corneal astigmatism. Here's his pre-op, pupil dilation was difficult. He had all these adhesions which we cleaned up. Here's his post-op. You can see perfect centration, high toric, premium lens technology and vision. How much better would you rate it? 1 to 10.
10. From
10.
there to there, it's 100% better.
Lovely. And he's flown back today, back from Wisconsin for his second eye. Second eye is equally bad with all this finicky posterior polar cataract, high corneal astigmatism that we can see here. Both eyes have it. You can see that 3 and 3 diopters in each eye. And how we're going to correct that with lens-based surgery, correct the anatomy and the vision and the optics and set them free. That's the whole plan here, right?
Sounds good to me.
Anything you want to say?
Well, I say I'm excited for this one. Nervous the first time, very excited this time. Totally two different feelings. You're the man. You are the man.
Thank you so much. Please,
Thank you.
Please rest in the hotel.
Yep.
Okay, careful. And someone's flying in to be with you, right?
Yep. No, she's at the. She came in.
Lovely.
She'll be there by the time I get back.
Okay.